Lenn Holland is marketed as a classy, mature men's fashion brand focused on timeless clothing for men over 40. But the real question is it actually legit or another questionable online clothing store hiding behind polished branding? Now, to be fair, the website itself looks professionally designed. The branding clearly targets older men looking for comfortable, understated fashion rather than flashy streetwear. What it does well, the mature men aesthetic is appealing. The clothing style focuses on classic sweaters, zip knits, jackets, and relaxed smart casual fashion that many older men genuinely like. The branding feels polished and emotional. The company's story strongly emphasizes comfort, confidence, and mature style, where the major red flags appear. The Trustpilot reputation is extremely poor. This is the biggest warning sign. Multiple review pages currently show ratings around 1.5 to 1.7 out of 5, with overwhelmingly negative feedback. Many customers report missing orders. Several reviewers claim items never arrived or tracking numbers failed completely. There are repeated counterfeit accusations. Some buyers specifically claim they received fake branded products or low-quality copies shipped from China. So, is Lenn Holland real or fake? Short answer, probably a real operating e-commerce store, but with major trust and quality concerns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.